thanks for asking that really great question. How to the accredited investors really gain access to private deals that are not available to the public. That's so true. Of course, accredited investors can gain access to private deals not available to the public through various channels. There are so many different channels. Here are some of the ways that you could really find and do research and then find may gain access to many types of deals that you might like to vet them. I always say vet, research, ask questions, all those things. Networking is my number choice. I would say accredited investors may leverage their personal and professional networks, friends and family and all, to gain access to private deals. I do that all the time, and they may really receive investment opportunities through colleagues and business associates and other accredited investors. So ask them. Networking. Angel investor groups are also great, where you're able to get the angel investors or the network of accredited investors together in clubs and pools and resources. You could get into, become a member, and try to seek out what they are investing in, what they have been really good with, what operators are good, and so on for private deals. And these groups also provide access to a range of investment opportunities, that provide a forum of sharing due diligence also. See, you want to make sure you're doing lots and lots of due diligence as you go into. Of course, internet is amazing. I mean, Google, YouTube are amazing places for you to say, I've got 100,000, where should I invest? In real estate, in startups, in this and that. Venture capital firms are also great for you to, accredited investors may gain access to private deals through venture capital firms. Like I'm really into many of them myself. And these firms invest in startups, private companies, other private companies, and they may invite accredited investors to participate in their investments as they are growing in on Series A, B, C, and so on. I always say that you got to look at the horse, what the vehicle is, and the jockey. Who are the jockey or jockeys on the top who can really take your investment in a secure way to do it 10-fold, 20 or 1,000-fold. In startups, venture capitalism, it's a, 1 out of 1,000 will win. So you have to be very, very careful. Another avenue I would say to get these deals is through crowdfunding. There are a lot of platforms of crowdfunding in USA and abroad. Accredited investors may participate in crowdfunding platforms that offer private deals not available to the public. They do have private, and they show you all the prospectus and brochures and P&Ls and all those in their vault, we call it. And these platforms are typically restricted to accredited investors and provide access to a range of different investments opportunities across different industries. That's the key. They want more people to put in. And in crowdfunding, you can also put smaller investments like $1,000, $5,000, $10,000 because it's a crowdfunding, And then registered investment advisors, the RIAs, are great people to also get these deals because they are in sync with other opportunities that are out there. So you could meet with them and build a relationship with them to get these deals. It's very important to note that, deals like these will be riskier and have less liquidity. And like I said in my other blog post, and then public investments as such, accredited investors should carefully evaluate the risks and the potential gains that you're going to get, returns on any private deal before investing your hard-earned money. I mean, securing, of course, you want to grow your money, but securing the money and growing it are the two factors, growth, that you need to consult with your financial advisor, your CPA, your attorney, your strong family member who is really, really savvy in these things.